Hi, we're the team from BorderStates, Christian Ames, Yuquan Lee, Jesse Nolting, and myself, Austin Tadman, and we worked on creating a geoanalysis map for BorderStates, so we're just going to give you a quick rundown of our project. First, a little company overview. Our sponsor is BorderStates Electric, and they are headquartered right here in Fargo. They focus on supply chain solutions for several diverse industries, with electrical being their main one. They have 110 branches in 20 states, as you can see on the map there on the left, and they have thousands of customers across the US as well as a couple in Canada. So here's a little information about the problem BorderStates is having. They're always looking to expand their services, but they want to make sure they're doing it efficiently. And they need a way to analyze where their services are needed, and they need a way to visualize customers on a map overlaying existing branch locations to see the geographic proximity in relation to their customers. The solution they came up with to accomplish this is to use the SAP Cloud Platform's spatial analysis engine to develop an analytics app that they can use, store BorderStates branch and customer data in an SAP HANA database, use HereMaps API to visualize branches and customers on an interactive map client, and you'll get to see that later on, and use JavaScript, HTML, CSS for interacting with the map and displaying the data. How will this help BorderStates? Well, the hope is that it will help strategically locate a new branch opening, determine if a potential acquisition is a good fit geographically as well as financially, understand if there are any gaps in branch service, also understand if customers could or should be serviced from other branches, and a stretch goal of ours was to predict future revenue potential in a new branch opening. Now, unfortunately, we did not get to this, but that is something that BorderStates can do in the future. Finally, to close out this video, we will show you a demonstration of our geoanalysis map. So here is our map client, and what I'm going to show you today is just how to display branches, display customers, and filter customers. So the first thing you can do with the map is click display branches here, and what that does is it pulls all the branch information that we have in the HANA tables and uses the HereMaps API to map them with these nice blue markers that you're able to click on, and an info bubble will pop up with the name of the branch, where it's located, and the sidebar location info will populate with the address. If we go display customers, right now it takes the default, which it shows the top 50 customers in the whole United States. And the same thing with the branches. If you're to click on one, it pops up a info bubble with the name of the customer and the location, as well as the address information here in the sidebar. And something additional with the customers that the branches don't have is a sales graph. And what this does is it shows the sales data from the past 3 years for this customer, and it will change as you change the customers, the information will change. So this one in Windsor, Wisconsin had 17 million in 2016. So we will move on to filtering now, and like I said, the default filter is just the entire United States and the top 50 customers according to sales. You're able to filter by state, so if we wanted to say Minnesota, and we'll just go the top 20 customers in Minnesota, the top 20 customers in Minnesota will appear, and you're able to zoom in on just Minnesota and see those sales as well. So that's just a quick rundown of how to display branches, display customers, and filter customers on our geoanalysis map. One really cool feature with our map is our sales analysis tool, and I'm going to demonstrate that now for you. Right now I have the top 50 customers just in North Dakota here on the map, and I'm able to pan over to the sales analysis section, which I can turn on with the checkbox, and then I'm actually able to draw a shape on the map using my mouse. And what this does is it allows me to aggregate the data just in that shape, so it pulls just from the customers within that polygon, and it shows me the top 10 customers here on the side in that polygon according to sales. So we have the top one being 44 million in the last 3 years, and the bottom being 28 million. And it also shows the total sales in the area at 512,691,620. So that's just a cool sales analysis tool that we implemented, and you're able to clear it and start over.